And I don't, Sairam, one more thing, brother. I don't think I can share my screen, right? Because I'm not the host.
You
Oh,
can.
I can.
I
I
think
know
you
I
can.
can share. I can share the screen. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. We are set. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Sorry for that.
No, no problem. Om. 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 शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मातर्मे मधुकैटभग्निमहिषप्राणापहारोऽद्य मे हेलालम्बितधूम्रलोचनवधे हे चण्डमुण्डार्दिनि निःशेषीकृतरक्तबीजदनुजे नित्ये निशुम्भापहे शुम्भध्वंसिनि नाशयाशु दुरितं दुर्गे नमस्तेऽम्बिके। ॐ नमश्चण्डिकायै। Om Sri Sai Ram. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hari Om Shalom Namaste. Let's get started with the class. Apologies for all the glitches today, and we'll start with directly going into the topic. Yesterday we came to a point where Chanda and Munda have advised the Shumbha and Nishubha to go and confiscate the mother, located on Himalayas, and she is the best of all kinds amongst the women. So a beautiful lady jewel has to be seized by them. Now we go to Rushirvacha. Nishamyeti vachashumbha satada chandamundayoh preshayamasa sugrivam dutam devya mahasuram. Listening to the words of Chanda and Munda, Shumbha then sent another Asura, his name is Sugriva, as the messenger to the Devi. And he ordered him to say, Iti cheti cha vaktavya sa gatva vachanan mama yatha chabhyeti sampritya tatha karyan tvaya laghu. Iti cha vaktavya. Please tell her in my words. Sa gatva vachanan mama, in my words. Yadha cha abhyeti sampritya tatha karyam tvaya laghu, in such a manner that she may quickly come to me pleased by the words that are uttered. Sampritya, not really love. Okay, in pleasure. Okay. So this these two, yes, Markandeya, please carry on. Can you see my screen? Yes, you can, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay, okay.
Om Rishiruvacha Nishamyeti Vacha Shumbhas.
Om Rishiruvacha Nishamyeti Vacha Shumbhas. Om Rishiruvacha Nishamyeti Vacha Shumbhas.
Satada Chandamundayoh.
Satada Chandamundayoh. Satada Chandamundayoh.
Nishamyeti Vacha Shumbhas Satada Chandamundayoh.
Nishamyeti Vacha Shumbhas Satada Chandamundayoh. Nishamyeti Vacha Shumbhas Satada Chandamundayoh.
Preshayamasa Sugrivam.
Preshayamasa Sugrivan. प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवन्
दूतं देव्या महासुरम्
दूतं देव्या महासुरम् दूतं देव्या महासुरम्
प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवं दूतं देव्या महासुरम्
प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवन् दूतं देव्या महासुरम् प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवन् दूतं देव्या महासुरम्
ऋषिरुवाच निशम्येति वचः शुम्भः सतदा चण्डमुण्डयोः प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवं दूतं देव्या महासुरम्
ऋषिरुवाच निशम्येति वचः शुम्भः सतदा चण्डमुण्डयोः प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवन् दूतं देव्या महासुरम् ऋषिरुवाच निशम्येति वचः शुम्भः सतदा चण्डमुण्डयोः प्रेषयामास सुग्रीवन् दूतं देव्या महासुरम्
इति चेति च वक्तव्या
इति चेति च वक्तव्या इति चेति च वक्तव्या
सा गत्वा वचनां मम
सा गत्वा वचनान् मम सा गत्वा वचनान् मम
इति चेति च वक्तव्या सा गत्वा वचनां मम
इति चेति च वक्तव्या सा गत्वा वचनान् मम इति चेति च वक्तव्या सा गत्वा वचनान् मम
यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या
यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या
तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु
तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु
यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु
यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु
इति चेति च वक्तव्या सा गत्वा वचनां मम यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु
इति चेति च वक्तव्या सा गत्वा वचनान् मम यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु इति चेति च वक्तव्या सा गत्वा वचनान् मम यथा चाभ्येति सम्प्रीत्या तथा कार्यं त्वया लघु
सा तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलो देशे अति शोभने तांच देवीं तत प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा. He went there, sa tatra. He went there where that gatva went. Yatra, where the mother is located. Shailodeshe Atishobhane, the mountain on which she is located, which is extremely beautiful. Tanchadevin tatah praha. Then he started speaking to her with words gira, madhuraya, which are very sweet, and slakshnam means soft and sweet words. He started speaking to her with soft and sweet words. Satatra gatva yatraste shailodeshe ati shobhane tancha devin tatah praha slakshnam madhuraya gira. Gira means words.
स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते
Yeah.
sorry सतत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते सतत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते
शैलोद्देशेति शोभने
शैलोद्धेशेति शोभने शैलोद्देशेति शोभने
स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलोद्देशेति शोभने
स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलोद्देशेति शोभने स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलोद्देशेति शोभने
ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह
ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह
श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा
श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा
ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा
ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा
स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलोद्देशेति शोभने ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा
स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलोद्देशेति शोभने ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा स तत्र गत्वा यत्रास्ते शैलोद्देशेति शोभने ताञ्च देवीं ततः प्राह श्लक्ष्णं मधुरया गिरा
Then he said, Duta Uvacha, Devi, Devi, Daityeshwaraha, Shumbhaha, Trailokye Parameshwaraha. O Devi, this Daityeshwaraha, the Lord of all the Daityas, Shumbhaha, by name Shumbha, he is the Lord of the three worlds, Trailokye Parameshwaraha. Duta Aham Preshitastena Tvat Sakashamiha Gataha. I have been sent to your present Tvat Sakashamiha Gataha as a messenger, Dutaham, to speak to you as his messenger. Duta Uvacha Devi Daityeshwara Shumbhastrailokye Parameshwaraha Dutoham Preshitastena Tvatsakashamiha Gataha.
देवी दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भः
देवी दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भः देवी दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भः
त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः
त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः
देवी दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भस्त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः
देवी दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भस्त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः देवी दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भस्त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः
दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन
दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन
त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः
त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः
दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः
दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः
देवि दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भस्त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः
देवि दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भस्त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः देवि दैत्येश्वरः शुम्भस्त्रैलोक्ये परमेश्वरः दूतोऽहं प्रेषितस्तेन त्वत्सकाशमिहागतः.
Somehow miraculously I became the host and it is recording. I have no idea what just happened.
Rani
Anyway.
logged in and made you the host.
I know, but he couldn't do that before. Anyway, Shailaj, you are on the top of things. Thank you. Let's go back to, then he started saying this Duta. What is this Duta's name?
Sugriva.
Sugriva. He started saying, O Devi, Avyahatagnaha Sarvasu Yas Sada Devayonishu Nirjitakhila Daityarihi Sa Yadaha Shrunushva Tat. She said, he whose orders are never Avyahatagnaha, yes, Avyahatagnaha, he Sarvasu Yas Sada Devayonishu, whose command has never been resisted by any of the Devas, and who has defeated Nijjita Akhila Daityarihi, the enemies of all the Daityas. He is the one that is asking me to send this, to give this message to you. So, Sayadaha Shrunushvatatu, please hear the message. Avyahatagnya Sarvasu Yas Sada Devayonishu Nijjitakhila Daityarihi Sa Yadaha Shrunushvatat.
अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु
अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु
यः सदा देवयोनिषु
यः सदा देवयोनिषु यः सदा देवयोनिषु
अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु यः सदा देवयोनिषु
अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु यः सदा देवयोनिषु अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु यः सदा देवयोनिषु
निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः
निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः
स यदाह शृणुष्वतत्
स यदाह शृणुष्वतत् स यदाह शृणुष्वतत्
निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः स यदाह शृणुष्वतत्
निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः स यदाह शृणुष्वतत् निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः स यदाह शृणुष्वतत्
अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु यः सदा देवयोनिषु निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः स यदाह शृणुष्वतत्
अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु यः सदा देवयोनिषु निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः स यदाह शृणुष्वतत् अव्याहताज्ञः सर्वासु यः सदा देवयोनिषु निर्जिताखिलदैत्यारिः स यदाह शृणुष्वतत्.
Then these words he's saying are the words of Shumbha, Mama. So he's saying the Duta is the messenger, is speaking on behalf. His words, Mama Trailokyam Akhilam, Mama Deva Vashanuga, Yajna Bhagan Aham Sarvan, Upashnami Pruthak Pruthak, Mama Trailokyam Akhilam. I am the Lord of all the universe, all the three worlds, all the devas obey my orders. Mama deva vashanuga. Yajna bhaganaham sarvan. All the offerings that are made into the yajna separately, sarvan upashnami prathak prathak. All of them come to me separately. I enjoy all of those offerings into the yajna. And then he continues, Trailokye Vararatnani Mama Vasyan Aseshatah Tathaiva Gajaratnancha Khritan Devendra Vahanam. Now he's telling her, as his words, all the best of all the gems in the three worlds are in my possession. Mama Vasyan Aseshatah. Everything, there is nothing is left. All the great gems in all the three worlds, nothing is left, and all of them are under my control, just like the Gajaratnam, the best of all the elephants, Khritam Devendra Vahanam. I just took away the vehicle of Devendra, Gajaratnam, including that, they are in my control. So Martin and Jayshree, if you don't mind, let's chant each line rather than splitting into two padas, because these are simple shlokas. People should be able to catch them, and that would help us catch up on the 10 minutes we lost. So thank you. Go ahead,
Yes.
Martin.
Mama Trailokyam Mama Deva Vashanuga.
मम त्रैलोक्यमखिलं मम देवावशानुगाः मम त्रैलोक्यमखिलं मम देवावशानुगाः.
I don't think there is a holding on the Trilokyam. It is Mama Trilokya. So when you are saying Mama as a higher, you are saying, okay, is there a holding on Trilokya, Martin?
Yes, there should be
Okay.
the holding.
Okay, go ahead.
Yajnabhaganaham sarvanupashnami prathak prathak.
यज्ञभागानहं सर्वानुपश्नामि पृथक् पृथक्. यज्ञभागानहं सर्वानुपाश्नामि पृथक् पृथक्.
Mama Trailokyam Mama Deva Vashanuga. Yajnabhaganaham sarvanupashnami prathak prathak.
मम त्रैलोक्यमखिलं मम देवावशानुगाः यज्ञभागानहं सर्वानुपाश्नामि पृथक् पृथक्. मम त्रैलोक्यमखिलं मम देवावशानुगाः यज्ञभागानहं सर्वानुपाश्नामि पृथक् पृथक्.
Trailokye vararatnani mama vashyanyasheshatah.
त्रैलोक्ये वररत्नानि मम वश्यान्यशेषतः. त्रैलोक्ये वररत्नानि मम वश्यान्यशेषतः.
Tathaiva gajaratnancha hritva devandravāhanam.
तथैव गजरत्नं च हृत्वा देवेन्द्रवाहनम्. तथैव गजरत्नं च हृत्वा देवेन्द्रवाहनम्.
Trailokye vararatnani mama vashyanyasheshatah. Tathaiva gajaratnancha hritva devendravāhanam.
त्रैलोक्ये वररत्नानि मम वश्यान्यशेषतः. तथैव गजरत्नं च हृत्वा देवेन्द्रवाहनम्. त्रैलोक्ये वररत्नानि मम वश्यान्यशेषतः. तथैव गजरत्नं च हृत्वा देवेन्द्रवाहनम्.
I have to check if it is Hritva or Hritam. There seems to be, we'll come back to that, not a big deal. Okay. Shiroda Madanodbhutam, when the milk ocean was churned, Udbhutam came out, Ashwaratnam Mama Amaraihe also came out this, Vuchaishrava Sasanyam Tat pranipatya samarpitam. Then the best of all the horses came out, Uchchaishrava, which arose, and the devas, all of them offered it to me with pranipatya, with lot of surrender. They offered that to me. Now he's saying, not only they offered it with lot of surrender to him, which was imposed surrender. Kshiroda madanodbhutam ashwaratnam mamamaraihe uchchaishrava sasanyam tat pranipatya samarpitam.
क्षीरोदमथनोद्भूतमश्वरत्नम् ममामरैः
क्षीरोदमथनोद्भूतमश्वरत्नं ममामरैः क्षीरोदमथनोद्भूतमश्वरत्नं ममामरैः
उच्चैश्रवससंज्ञम् तत्प्रणिपत्य समर्पितम्
उच्चैश्रवससंज्ञं तत्प्रणिपत्य समर्पितम् उच्चैश्रवससंज्ञं तत्प्रणिपत्य समर्पितम्
क्षीरोदमथनोद्भूतमश्वरत्नम् ममामरैः उच्चैश्रवससंज्ञम् तत्प्रणिपत्य समर्पितम्
क्षीरोदमथनोद्भूतमश्वरत्नं ममामरैः उच्चैश्रवससंज्ञं तत्प्रणिपत्य समर्पितम् क्षीरोदमथनोद्भूतमश्वरत्नं ममामरैः उच्चैश्रवससंज्ञं तत्प्रणिपत्य समर्पितम्
यानि च अन्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु उरगेषु च रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने. Shobhane, the one who is the most beautiful, looking auspicious. Whatever other rare objects that existed amongst Yanicha, Anyani, not only Devas, but also Gandharvas, but also Uragas. Uragas means the Nagas, all the three different higher celestial beings. Ratna Bhutani, Bhutani, Tani, Mayyeva, Shobhane. All of those Ratnas, the most auspicious ones, are with me in my possession. And now let's continue the next one also similarly. Stri Ratna Bhutantam. We are looking at you, O mother. You are Tan Devi Loke Manyamahe Vayam. You are the best amongst all the beautiful. And Sa Tva Asmanu Upagacha Yato Ratna Bhujo Vayam. Similarly, you are the best jewel amongst the womankind. You who are such should come to me. Sa Tvam Asmanu Upagacha. You have to come to me so that Yato Ratna Bhujo Vayam, just like all the precious ones are there, you should be with me. So let's do those two shlokas, Martin. Thank you.
यानि चान्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु रगेषु च
यानि चान्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु रगेषु च यानि चान्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु रगेषु च
रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने
रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने
यानि चान्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु रगेषु च रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने
यानि चान्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु रगेषु च रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने यानि चान्यानि देवेषु गन्धर्वेषु रगेषु च रत्नभूतानि भूतानि तानि मय्येव शोभने
स्त्रीरत्नभूतान् त्वां देवि लोके मन्यामहे वयम्
स्त्रीरत्नभूतान् त्वां देवि लोके मन्यामहे वयम् स्त्रीरत्नभूतान् त्वां देवि लोके मन्यामहे वयम्
सा त्वम् अस्मानुपागच्छ यतो रत्नभुजो वयम्
सा त्वमस्मानुपागच्छ यतो रत्नभुजो वयम् सा त्वमस्मानुपागच्छ यतो रत्नभुजो वयम्
स्त्रीरत्नभूतान् त्वां देवि लोके मन्यामहे वयम् सा त्वमस्मानुपागच्छ यतो रत्नभुजो वयम्
स्त्रीरत्नभूतान् त्वां देवि लोके मन्यामहे वयम् सा त्वमस्मानुपागच्छ यतो रत्नभुजो वयम् स्त्रीरत्नभूतान् त्वां देवि लोके मन्यामहे वयम् सा त्वमस्मानुपागच्छ यतो रत्नभुजो वयम्
मां वा मम अनुजं वा अपि निशुम्भम् उरु vikramam. He's asking now, either me, mam va, mama anujam va api nishumbham uru vikramam, either me or my younger brother anujam nishumbham. He is also with great powers, uru vikramam. Bhajatvam chanchalapangi ratnabhuta sivai yataha. You should come to us, O true jewel. Chanchala Pangi means the one with unsteady looks. Unsteady looks. That's how the women are referred to, is because the eyelids, the eyes move and very beautifully, and that's what he is referring to. Chanchala Apangi. Ratna Bhuta Sivai Yataha. You are truly a jewel. Either come to me or to my younger brother. Go ahead, Martin.
मां वाममानुजां वापि निशुम्भमुरुविक्रमम्
मां वा ममानुजं वापि निशुम्भमुर्विक्रमम् मां वा ममानुजं वापि निशुम्भमुर्विक्रमम्
भजत्वं चञ्चलापाङ्गिरत्नभूतासि वै यतः
भजत्वं चञ्चलापाङ्गिरत्नभूतासि वै यतः भजत्वं चञ्चलापाङ्गिरत्नभूतासि वै यतः
मां वाममानुजं वापि निशुम्भमुरुविक्रमम् भजत्वं चञ्चलापाङ्गिरत्नभूतासि वै यतः
मां वा ममानुजं वापि निशुम्भमुर्विक्रमम् भजत्वं चञ्चलापाङ्गिरत्नभूतासि वै यतः मां वा ममानुजं वापि मां वा ममानुजं वापि निशुम्भमुर्विक्रमम् भजत्वं चञ्चलापाङ्गिरत्नभूतासि वै यतः.
Okay, Mahaprana and Bhaja. Mahaprana. Okay.
Bhajat,
Yes.
okay.
So it's Bhaja.
Bhajatvam.
Bhajatvam, yes. Yes. We'll move on to Paramaishwaryamatulam Prapsyase Mat Parigrahat. If you marry me, if you take me, Mat Parigrahat, then you will get Paramaishwaryam, Atulam, incredible, uncomparable, unequivalent grace you will get. Paramaishwaryam atulam prapsyase mat parigrahat etad buddhya samaloccha mat parigrahatam vraja. Take me as your, become my wife. Think about it carefully. Etad buddhya samalocha. With careful thought, samalocha, alocha means look at it carefully and think about it and then become my wife. Mat parigrahatam vraja. Paramaishwaryamatulam prapsyase mat parigrahat etad buddhya samalocha mat parigrahatam vraja.
परमैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्स्यसे मत्परिग्रहात्
परमैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्स्यसे मत्परिग्रहात् परमैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्स्यसे मत्परिग्रहात्
एतत् बुद्ध्या समालोच्य मत्परिग्रहतां व्रज
एतद्बुद्ध्या समालोच्य मत्परिग्रहतां व्रज एतद्बुद्ध्या समालोच्य मत्परिग्रहतां व्रज
परमैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्स्यसे मत्परिग्रहात् एतद् बुद्ध्या समालोच्य मत्परिग्रहतां व्रज
परमैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्स्यसे मत्परिग्रहात् एतद्बुद्ध्या समालोच्य मत्परिग्रहतां व्रज परमैश्वर्यमतुलं प्राप्स्यसे मत्परिग्रहात् एतद्बुद्ध्या समालोच्य मत्परिग्रहतां व्रज.
Rishiruvacha. The Rishi started speaking and the Rishi said, Ityukta sa tada devi gambhirantasmita jagau Durga Bhagavati Bhadra Yayedam Dharyate Jagat. What a beautiful description here of the mother. Ityukta sa tada devi, thus told to her sa tada devi, Gambhirantaha, totally unmoved, Gambhirantaha. She was sitting still, listening to it without any movement. And then, but with a smile on her face. Smita Jagau, she was smiling gently. Arey, what is this fellow talking about? Such a innocent fellow or a stupid fellow? Some people like that Buddha smile comes to my picture whenever I think about somebody speaking with an awareness. When people are talking without awareness, then what the wise people do, they don't move, they don't react, they don't simply, they'll be still because they know that all this disturbance happening in their head should not disturb them. Gambhirantaha. Antaha means inside. She is Gambhira. She is completely in presence. Gambhira means total presence. She is in total presence. And in that total presence, we have to really connect to what she is now thinking inside. Now, who is she? She is Durga. She is Bhagavati. She is Bhadra. Beautiful words. Durga, Bhagavati, Bhadra. Why those words are used, you have to really understand that. When you understand that, why she is Gambhirantaha, you will understand. Why she is smiling, you will understand. Durga means the one who does not allow any kind of even words to penetrate. Durga is like a fortress. Durga is a fortress. She wouldn't allow anything that doesn't belong to her even come into her. She is Durga, Durlabha, Durgama, Durga, Bhagavati. She is total effulgence. and she is the fire, Bhagavati. And she's Bhadra, means she is secure, she is stable. Huh? Why is she, all of this referred to Durga Suktam again? Huh? Durga Jataved Durga Vishwani Durga Naveva Sindhum Duritatyagnihi. All these, when you listen to these words, all that has to flow into our consciousness. All the rest of that is nonsense. That's why I didn't spend any time explaining. These words are worth contemplating upon. Those words are irrelevant, inconsequential. Now, with all this disturbance happening around her, ya edam dharyate jagat. She is Bhadra. She is holding the whole universe. Samsararnavatarini. You heard all these things before. Durga, Durgasi, Bhavasagara, Naurasanga, Medhasi, Viditakhila, Shastrasara. Durgasi, Durga, Bhavasagara, Naurasanga. Where did we hear these words, Sairam?
Mahishantagari Suktam.
Yes. Now Durga is the boat. And where is she? In that boat, the whole universe is located. She is located, all of it is located within her. So she is watching very carefully. Durga, the one who is Gambhira and the one who is Smita Jagau. She is now Jagau, means she is awake. Huh? Okay, now this is very beautiful. Each word is filled with spiritual essence. Gambhira, Gambhira, Antaha, Smita, Jagau. In presence, she is smiling, but inside, she is completely still. So, when people are completely still inside, their face doesn't reflect presence. They seem to be in some other world. But where you are still inside, but you are present with a smile outside. Smita Jagau. That means what? You are telling the other person, hey, I am listening to you. I am listening to you. But inside, nothing is penetrating. All of this nonsense you are talking about doesn't matter to me. Rishiruvacha. Ityukta sa tada devi gambhirantasmita jagau Durga Bhagavati Bhadra ya edam dharyate jagat. Go ahead, brother.
ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्ता सा तदा देवी गम्भीरान्तस्मिता जगौ
ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्ता सा तदा देवी गम्भीरान्तस्मिता जगौ ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्ता सा तदा देवी गम्भीरान्तस्मिता जगौ
दुर्गा भगवती भद्रा यये धन्धार्यते जगत्
दुर्गा भगवती भद्रा यये दन्धार्यते जगत् दुर्गा भगवती भद्रा यये दन्धार्यते जगत्
ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्ता सा तदा देवी गम्भीरान्तस्मिता जगौ दुर्गा भगवती भद्रा यये धन्धार्यते जगत्
ऋषिरुवाच इत्युक्ता सा तदा देवी गम्भीरान्तस्मिता जगौ दुर्गा भगवती भद्रा यये धन्धार्यते जगत् इत्युक्ता सा तदा देवी गम्भीरान्तस्मिता जगौ दुर्गा भगवती भद्रा यये दन्धार्यते जगत्.
Devyuvacha. The mother started speaking and she said, Are, you are telling the truth, da. You are absolutely telling the truth. And I agree. I totally agree that, nothing you have spoken is incorrect. Yes, Shumbha is the ruler of the entire three worlds, and Nishumbha likewise. Both of them are extremely powerful. They are the lords of the world's world. You told the truth. You told the truth and you didn't speak anything that is untruth. She acknowledged, because at that point of time, that is the fact. That is the fact. So she will not deny the fact. Yes, you are right. But I have a small issue in this matter. Hmm? I have a small problem in this matter. I made a promise before, and that promise cannot be broken. Let me now tell you this promise that I made, which I made in foolishness. You see now how she's playing with him? The mother is now playing with the child. Hey, everything, yeah. When they come and they lie to you, do they all this kind of stuff, and they're like praising themselves that they are the greatest. They conquered the whole world. They are the most supreme intellectuals. Everything, and you tell all of this thing in front of Bhagavan. Huh? Bhagavan is Bhagavan is simply smiling. He is like, okay, great. None of that really matters to him. But in this case, she said, yes, you are right. They are really very powerful people. But what can I do? I made a promise in foolishness before. Let me now tell you about it. Satyamuktan tvaya na atra mithya kinchidvayoditam. You have not said anything that is mithya. That means that is out of the norm. Trailokyadhipatihi Shumbho Nishumbha cha api tadrushaha. Equivalent is Nishumbha in his powers. Kintatra yat pratignatam midhya tat kriyate katham. Arey, what can I do? I actually made a promise before. Sruyatam. Okay, let me, listen to me. Sruyatam. Alpabuddhi. Alpabuddhitva. With what we call alpabuddhi means with kind of foolishness. In foolishness, I made a pratignya. Yakrita pura. I made foolishness. I made a pratignya, a promise before, and now that is where wonderful. You will hear what her promise is, and we'll conclude with her promise today. Okay, Satyamuktam, please, brother.
Satyamuktam tvaya natra mithya kinchit tvayoditam.
Satyamuktam tvaya natra mithya kinchit tvayoditam. Satyamuktam tvaya natra mithya kinchit tvayoditam.
Trailokyadhipati Shumbho Nishumbhaschapi tadrishah.
त्रैलोक्याधिपतिः शुम्भो निशुम्भश्चापि तादृशः. त्रैलोक्याधिपतिः शुम्भो निशुम्भश्चापि तादृशः.
Satyamuktam tvaya natra mithya kinchit tvayoditam. Trailokyadhipati Shumbho Nishumbhaschapi tadrishah.
सत्यमुक्तं त्वया नात्र मिथ्या किञ्चित् त्वयोदितं. त्रैलोक्याधिपतिः शुम्भो निशुम्भश्चापि तादृशः. सत्यमुक्तं त्वया नात्र मिथ्या किञ्चित् त्वयोदितं. त्रैलोक्याधिपतिः शुम्भो निशुम्भश्चापि तादृशः.
किन्त्वत्र यत् प्रतिज्ञातं मिथ्या तत्क्रियते कथम्.
किन्त्वत्र यत् प्रतिज्ञातं मिथ्या तत्क्रियते कथम्. किन्त्वत्र यत् प्रतिज्ञातं मिथ्या तत्क्रियते कथम्.
श्रूयतामल्पबुद्धित्वात् प्रतिज्ञाया कृता पुरा.
श्रूयतामल्पबुद्धित्वात् प्रतिज्ञाया कृता पुरा. श्रूयतामल्पबुद्धित्वात् प्रतिज्ञाया कृता पुरा.
किन्त्वत्र यत् प्रतिज्ञातं मिथ्या तत्क्रियते कथम्. श्रूयतामल्पबुद्धित्वात् प्रतिज्ञाया कृता पुरा.
किन्त्वत्र यत् प्रतिज्ञातं मिथ्या तत्क्रियते कथम् श्रूयतामल्पबुद्धित्वात् प्रतिज्ञाया कृता पुरा किन्त्वत्र यत् प्रतिज्ञातं मिथ्या तत्क्रियते कथम् श्रूयतामल्पबुद्धित्वात् प्रतिज्ञाया कृता पुरा.
Now she's telling what her promise is, the promise that she made in the past. Krita pura. Yomam jayati sangrame, yo me darpam vyapohati. And this is the promise oath she took. Whoever conquers her in the battle, whoever conquers me in the battle, sangrame, and whoever will remove or uproot my pride, darpam vyapohati. Whoever is going, because defeating her in the battle is taking away her pride, right? So defeating me in the battle, taking away my pride, and the one who has equivalent strength to me, yome pratibalo loke, whoever has pratibala means equivalent strength like me, that person definitely I'm going to take as my husband in future. Same bharta bhavishyati. I will take that person as my husband. And then she started saying, Tada gacchatu shumbhaha atra nishumbhova mahasuraha mam jitva kim chirena atra paning grihnatu me laghu. Oh, please let Shumbha come here. Tada gacchatu Shumbho atra or Nishumbha, the great one as well, Nishumbhova Mahasuraha, the great Asura. Manjitva, let them come here. Defeat right now. Let them come. Please ask them to come as quickly as possible. Don't delay. Tell them to come, defeat me, and take my marriage. Paning Grihnatu, take my hand in marriage as quickly as possible. Huh? No, don't delay. I'm waiting. Let them come. I want them to fulfill my promise. And her promise that she took is Yomam Jayati Sangrame, Yome Darpam Vyapohati, Yome Pritibalo Loke, Same Bharta Bhavishyati. Tada gacchatu Shumbho atra Nishumbho va Mahasuraha, Manjitva kim Chirenatra Panim Grihnatu me Laghu.
यो मां जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्पं व्यपोहति
यो मां जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्पं व्यपोहति यो मां जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्पं व्यपोहति
यो मे प्रतिबलो लोके समे भर्ता भविष्यति
यो मे प्रतिबलो लोके समे भर्ता भविष्यति यो मे प्रतिबलो लोके समे भर्ता भविष्यति
यो मां जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्पं व्यपोहति यो मे प्रतिबलो लोके समे भर्ता भविष्यति
यो मां जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्पं व्यपोहति यो मे प्रतिबलो लोके समे भर्ता भविष्यति यो मां जयति संग्रामे यो मे दर्पं व्यपोहति यो मे प्रतिबलो लोके समे भर्ता भविष्यति
तदा गच्छतु शुम्भोऽत्र निशुम्भो वा महासुरः
तदा गच्छतु शुम्भोऽत्र निशुम्भो वा महासुरः तदा गच्छतु शुम्भोऽत्र निशुम्भो वा महासुरः
मां जित्वा किञ्चिरेणात्र पाणिन् गृह्णातु मे लघु
मां जित्वा किञ्चिरेणात्र पाणिं गृह्णातु मे लघु माञ्जित्वा किञ्चिरेणात्र पाणिं गृह्णातु मे लघु
तदा गच्छतु शुम्भोऽत्र निशुम्भो वा महासुरः मां जित्वा किञ्चिरेणात्र पाणिन् गृह्णातु मे लघु
तदा गच्छतु शुम्भोऽत्र निशुम्भो वा महासुरः माञ्जित्वा किञ्चिरेणात्र पाणिं गृह्णातु मे लघु तदा गच्छतु शुम्भोऽत्र निशुम्भो वा महासुरः माञ्जित्वा किञ्चिरेणात्र पाणिं गृह्णातु मे लघु
Yeah, this is another important point that they chanted nicely is Grinhatu. It should be, because every time the rule in Sanskritam grammar is the ha followed by the next letter, even though it is written like that, like Brahma becomes Brahma, Vahni becomes Vanhi. Similar here, the na is before the ha. So Grinhatu. Grinhatu me laghu. So that is not gruhnatu me laghu. Na, this is grhna, right? Like grnha, not na. That is the other thing we have to remember. With that, I think today we'll pause there because we have come to the Duta Uvacha, the reply of the Duta, which we will cover next week. Now with that, it's not Gruhnatu, it is Grinhatu. That's why I mentioned people are typing in the text. Okay. Om yadaksharapada bhrashtam matra hinantu yad bhavet tatsarvan shamyatan deva narayana namostute visarga bindu matrani padapadaksharaani cha न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व साईश्वर अपराध सहस्राणि क्रियन्ते हर्निशं मया दासोऽयमिति मां मत्वा क्षमस्व साईश्वर अन्यथा शरणं नास्ति त्वमेव शरणं मम तस्मात् कारुण्यभावेन रक्ष रक्ष साईश्वर हरिः ओं तत्सत् श्री साईश्वरार्पणमस्तु स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेण मार्गेण महिं महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम शांति 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 Sairam, any questions, comments, clarifications, please?
Sairam Shekhar, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
When the Devi, a beautiful Devi comes out of Parvati, and then Kali goes to Himalayas, right? So now, which one of them we are talking about?
Yeah, the one that we are talking about is Kausiki, the one that is now sitting. So the conversation is happening between Kaushiki, the one that came out, and the Duta. Very good clarification. See, professors pay attention, A very good question, Sita. So the conversation is not with Kali, the conversation is with Kaushiki. Yes. Any other question?
I'm a student here, not a professor.
Okay.
Student has a doubt.
You are a professorial student. Okay. We are all students. Everything is a learning process. Yes. Yes. Any other questions?
Yes, Sairam.
Yes.
I want to ask about audio for chapter 5. How we get something, because we have enough time to learn 1.5 hour every day with the lecture in YouTube on this class. Or we get new audio recording only.
Yes. I will. It's been like crazy, brother. So this is my project next week. I'm going to do all the recordings, and Branimir has been extremely busy as well. So we are falling behind. My apologies. So we'll start with all the things. So I know we are going one line instead of half a line each. I know that could be a little faster for some people.
Faster.
Yeah, I understand that. What I'm hoping that by this time, by completion of the 5th chapter, we would have completed 388 out of the 700. That is roughly about 55% completed. So we still have 45% to go after December 12th. So middle of December, we are only 55% complete, and we started in September. So my request to those of you who are regular, not to those that are regularly irregular, is to actually go back and play the videos and go through this. And yeah, I know it is not so focused if you have explanation in between, etc. I understand that. Maybe, that's okay, because sometimes these meanings and everything doesn't sink in. That's a lot of commitment and practice. We are asking too much for people. But remember, learning process is never easy, and it's not going to be like I'll do it at my own. It's like most of you who have gone to school know what is the crunch that you have to go through. So it's no different here. Spirituality is actually not easy process. Spiritual, it's much more arduous than regular school. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, but I understand your request. We're lagging behind in putting the audio recordings. I promise I'll do it this week. I'll put it there. Yes. Any other questions?
Saram Shakarana, I know we learned, as you said, halfway through 55% of these slokas.
Not yet, by next week. Yeah.
Yeah, a few more.
Yeah.
Do you, for us, our goal should, whatever I feel, we should be able to dwell on meaning along with chanting when we are doing, right? That way, it's that beautiness and that power of that we feel it along with the chanting. Do you suggest anything that we can do to come to that level?
Oh, okay. So now here is a very loaded question. Okay. So the question he's asking, Ravindra, if I understand, is when I am chanting, I'm not, I want to be connected to the meaning along with the chanting. How do I get to that? The easiest way to get to that is, first of all, understanding the words behind what you are chanting, and that word split automatically helps you connect to the meaning. If you have a little bit of practice on what some of these words mean, like for example, sa plus atra became, yesterday we were looking at that mantra, no, that shlokam. What is that one, brother? Yesterday when we were chanting, I have to. So looking at the words helps connect to the meaning automatically. That's the process. But that's a real study, right? Like for example, Adhyavocha tathi vakta prathamo daivyo bhishak ahigascha sarva anjambhajan sarva aschayatu dhanyaha. So you need to have some awareness about what are the words in adhi, uvacha, became adhyavocha, right? Adhivakta, prathamo, daivyo, bhishak, all those are independent words. And what I am lagging behind again is giving you the words, so that when you are chanting, already people are complaining there is too much material on one page. There is there is Telugu, there is Devanagari, there is English, there is meaning. Now, if I put the words also underneath that, you will not. So my request is first memorize. Memorize meaning be comfortable in chanting first. Nobody can memorize it. I have not seen a person that I know has completely memorized the entire 700 Devi Mahatyam shlokas. Maybe there are. I have not. People are still using books because you have to Sundarakanda or this one. People use the book to chant. When you are looking at the book and chanting, that practice, first you will automatically Kshirodamadanoddbhutamashvaratnam mamamaraihe uchchaishravasa sanyantat pranipatya samarpitam. So when you are chanting like that, you will automatically get what are the words behind that. Especially, that would be very difficult if you are not exposed to this, but most of you would be. So practice first in perfection of chanting. Then the words will reveal themselves while you chant.
See that? Yeah. See, that's the, yeah.
The words will reveal the meaning. You are not like, you are present to it. You are not trying to put your, I am not trained in Sanskritam. I don't even know how to read Devanagari. That's the reason why I put Telugu script there. I can neither read English nor Devanagari. So,
Yeah.
but the point is these beautiful, these words are so powerful that they reveal themselves to you. I'll show you something. I was blessed by Swami to give a spiritual insight into Durga Suktam next week. I think you all got and I was sitting and trying to create a slide on how to explain what this Durga means to people. And now we are all connected to this Durga Suktam. So let me, this Durga, we are studying actually Durga, this Naurasanga and all these words. And when I was doing that, it occurred to me, why not I just create a slide so that people will never forget what Durga is, right? And now I was explaining to you what, are you all able to see my screen?
Yes.
So, dukkha, how do we understand the word dukkha? Kha means space. Kha means space, or kham, dukkham. We also say dukkham. Dukkha, kha means space. Duh means not associated with that space. It doesn't belong to that space. So, dukkham means presence of that which doesn't belong to that space. So if something is present in a space that doesn't belong in that space, then it is dukkham. So you are there, you are the space. And in the space of yours, something come. I like it. I don't like it. I'm arrogant. Worry, ego, bondage, mine, impressions, anger, greed, doubt, birth, decay, suffering, death. All these 15 things are coming and occupying the space. They do not belong to that space, but they're all coming and cluttering the space. Suddenly, what happens is, if your altar room or puja room is filled with couches and all these kind of things, etc., they don't belong there. Similarly, a toilet seat doesn't belong in your bedroom, right? So in the space where things don't belong, they come and sit together. Then what you do with it? What you do with this is, what is then Durga? This, first of all, nothing will enter that space because Durga forms a fortress around that. This is Durga. When you say Durga, that space is completely clear and none of these things will come and clutter that space. And that is what is called Durga, means that one which protects, one which protects, like we sing even in, and actually when you look at it from the perspective of all the different religions, Every religion talks about this protection of yourself, right? Protection of yourself. Offer all your bitterness in the sacred fire and emerge grand, great, and godly. That is Zoroastrianism. Lord is my rock and my fortress and my deliverer, in whom I take refuge, my shield and my horn of my salvation, my stronghold, and I am saved from my enemies. This is from Psalm 18, from the Bible. And Buddha said, I have taught one thing and only one thing, dukkha and cessation of dukkha. This is from Buddhism. Durga, dukkha, the one that stops you falling into dukkha, that does not allow anything that doesn't belong to you enter into you. Huh? Now, this is what we are talking as the real spiritual study. There are so many people that can teach how to chant the mantra. But this is what is calling us spiritual. Swami is teaching us Brahma Vidya. When you now explain what this Durga is as a Hindu to your own brother and sister and say, this is what dukkha is, you have the similar concept in your religion, we have the same concept, but the difference is these concepts about Durga, Vishwani, Durga, Nave Vasindhum, Duritatyagnihi, all these are these words, every Sanskritam word is completeness of presence to that word. Completeness. That's why Sanskritam is so powerful. That's why the suktams, the hymns are quintessence of spirituality that has been expanded into other faiths, that has been expanded into other religions. But the core and the substratum of entire human nature and the spiritual nature is embedded in Sanatana Dharma, embedded in these Veda mantras. And that's why they are so profound when you connect it. And anyway, I don't want to give my whole lecture to you guys, but this is something that I guess you will hear next week in the presentation. You got the trailer. Huh?
Now we know what are we going to see in a bigger picture. Okay, you gave us insight that what we are expecting then.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
Bala
Yes.
here.
Yes,
You
Bala.
see, 8th, we are going to start the sadhana. And then that day he said he will be giving the Diksha. It's before that or after that? The Diksha will be after that?
Yeah. Okay. So thanks, Bala. The Diksha will be on 18th of December, which is the Margashira Purnima, which is Dattatreya Jayanti. It's the birthday of Dattatreya. So the Diksha initiation will be given on Dattatreya Jayanti, because he's my Parameshti Guru. So Dattatreya is the Parameshti Guru. So he is and people that are signing up for this, and obviously there are I think every lead must have reached out to you. Don't get intimidated. People are 99% of the time saying, I don't have time, I don't have bandwidth, I don't have this. You have everything. The rest is dukkha. Don't let doubt enter. And what I am putting in that, what I showed you, in that is all described. It's not my knowledge. Okay. It absolutely doesn't belong to me. Idanna mama, that doesn't belong to me. Because it's already described by the rishis. Niraga, without attachment. Ragamadhani, the one that destroys attachment. Niraga, Ragamadhani, Nirlobha, all this Nissamsaya, Samsayagni, Nirbhava, Bhavanasini, Nirvikalpa, Nirabadha, Nirbheda, Bhedanasini, Nirnasha, Mrityumadhani, Nishkriya, Nishparigraha, Nistula, Nilachukura, Nirapaya, Niratyaya, Durlabha, Durgama, Durga, Dukkahantri, Sukhaprada. That is the definition of what I was showing you. Durlabha, impossible to understand. Durgama, impossible to penetrate. And that is Durga. That is the protection, the sheath, the protective shield around us. Dukkahantri completely destroys everything that doesn't belong in that space. Sukha prada. Now, what is if we understood what is a dukkha? Sukha means what belongs to that space. Right? You understand the difference? Dukkha means that doesn't belong to the space. Sukha means one that belongs to that space. What belongs to that space? Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, Ahimsa. Those belong to that space. And they will prosper in that space. Okay, Sairam. Any other questions?
Only one about sadhana start
Uh.
Wednesday for 3 days. 8 December or 18?
Oh, no. The
Eight.
sadhana starts from Wednesday, the 8th.
8.
And only that are signing up for the Devi Mahatmyam, they will be initiated, and not everybody, because we are the sadhana for all the Ritviks that are going to chant Rudram is from the 8th. And has Branimir reached out to you guys in the that signed up from Europe yet? Yes, no, not yet. Okay, I will. Branimir is too busy. His space is cluttered with lot of things, good things. Okay, any other questions?
So, Sairam, from Wednesday, do you suggest the daily prayers any time of the day based on whatever ignams we did and the sadhanas we did?
It should be done 5 times a day.
You condensed it to only mandatory only 3 items. So
Okay.
you
No,
downside.
that's really up to the groups. Each group
Okay.
can decide how they want to do it. So we have any other questions? Otherwise, have a great week, and let us pray to Bhagavan to bring together all of us in this incredible opportunity of sadhana for the yajna. I cannot explain to you in words what this particular yajna really means, because this is truly His grace, and just the floodgate is opening for all of this towards the centennial. Jayanti Utsavam of Bhagavan is a great milestone in our lives, and for us to be present to that and preparing ourselves for that is what is this beautiful yajna is about. And thank you all for taking time, and thank you all for being so patient with me as I deal with all these imperfections. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Thank you.
Jai Sai Ram.